I seek refuge with Allah from the accursed Satan. In the name of God, the gracious, the merciful. And when they come across those who believe, they say, "We believe," but when they are along with their devils, they say, "We are with you." We are only ridiculing. It is God who ridicules them and leaves them bewildered in their transgression. Those are they who are bettered error for guidance, but their trade does not profit them, and they are not guided. Their likeness is that of a person who kindled a fire. When it illuminated all around him, God took away their light and left them in darkness, unable to see. Deaf, dumb, blind, they are not returned. Or like a cloud burst from the sky, in which is darkness and thunder and lightning. They press their fingers into their ears for the thunderbolts in fear of death, but God surrounds the disbelievers. The lightning almost snatches their sight away. Whenever it illuminates for them, they work in it, but when it grows dark over them, they stand still. Had God willed, He could have taken away their hearing and their sight. God is capable of everything. O people, worship your Lord who created you and those before you, that you may attain piety. He who made the earth a habitat for you, and the sky a structure, and sends water down from the sky, and brings out fruits thereby, as a sustenance for you. Therefore do not assign rivals to God while you know. And if you are in doubt about what we have revealed to our servant, then produce a chapter like this, and call your witness apart from God, if you are truthful. But if you do not, and you will not, then beware the fire whose fuel is people and stones, prepared for the disbelievers. And give good news to those who believe and do righteous deeds, that they will have gardens beneath which rivers flow. Whenever they are provided with fruit therefrom as sustenance, they will say, "This is what we were provided with before," and they will be given the like of it. And they will have pure spouses then, and they will abide then forever. God does not shy away from making an example of a giant or something above it. As for those who believe, they know that it is the truth from their Lord. But as for those who disbelieve, they say, "What did God intend by this example? He leads astray many thereby, and He guides many thereby, but He misleads thereby only the evildoers."
Background Star Hill. Background Star Hill. Background Star Hill. Most popular motion graphics channel on YouTube.